Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can basically scan a QR code with Instagram. This is a great way to basically share contacts on the go as you're kind of networking. So if this works for you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have Instagram open, and the first thing we want to do is actually navigate to our own profile page. Okay, to do that, click on your icon bottom right hand corner. Once you are on your profile, you'll have this area that says share profile. If you give that a click, that's going to load up your own QR code. This is what allows you to share your QR code with other people for them to scan and for them to follow you on Instagram. But if you want to scan someone else's QR code, what you do is you actually hit that top right hand icon. It kind of looks like a little camera icon with 4 dots in the middle of it. If you give that a click, that is then going to load up a camera, which you may have to approve if you haven't done this before. You'd have to give access to your camera to the application. But once you do that, you can go ahead and scan a QR code, and that will then pop up with their profile, which you can then go ahead and follow. And guys, it is as easy as that to scan QR codes using Instagram. If you found this useful and informative, maybe solves your problem, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you all in the next one.